Do you share?
Yes, I share.
What do you share?
I share the knowledge.
Excellent. What does she share?
She shares the knowledge.
She shares knowledge.
What does your father hate?
Father hates behavior.
Which behavior?
Rude.
Rude behavior, bad behavior, negative behavior. What does your mother cook?
My mother cooks food.
What does your mother clean?
My mother cleans roof.
What does your mother share?
My mother shares the food.
What does your mother wash?
My mother washes the clothes.
Clothes, crockery. Clear?
Yes.
Do you take?
Yes, I take.
What do you take?
I take tea.
Okay, what does she take?
She takes tea.
Do you pull?
Yes, I pull.
What do you pull?
I pull the chair.
Excellent. You pull the chair. Again.
I pull the chair.
What does she pull?
She pulls the chair.
Do you share?
Yes, I share.
What do you share?
I share the knowledge.
Excellent. What does she share?
She shares the knowledge.
She shares knowledge. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you understand?
I understand concepts.
Excellent. What does she understand?
She understands concepts.
Excellent. Do you build?
Yes, I built.
What do you build?
I built the concept.
Excellent. You build concepts. What does she build?
She builds the concept.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you understand?
I understand the problems.
Excellent. What does she understand?
She understands problems.
Now, it's your turn to ask Mr. Qasim the question. What's the format of the question? Very simple. See.
What do you? Again?
What do you?
With what only, please?
What do you love?
What do you love? What do you love?
I love the books.
I love books. I love nature. I love IT. I love artificial intelligence, AI. Clear?
Yeah.
I love food. I love fish. What is clear?
Yes.
Next question.
What do you eat?
I eat food.
Okay.
What do you cook?
I cook the vegetables.
I cook vegetables. I cook.
Vegetable, vegetable, vegetable.
Okay.
What do you operate?
I operate computer.
Okay.
What do you watch?
I watch TV.
Okay.
What do you close?
I close.
I close my eyes. I close my mouth. I close my book. I close the door. I close the window. What do you close?
I close the window.
What do you press?
I press the clothes.
What do you wash?
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
Okay.
What do you set?
I set the carpet.
Excellent. Okay.
What do you imagine?
I imagine my future. What does your father like? He likes nature. He likes labor. He likes honesty. He likes truthfulness. He likes no respect. He likes helping others. He likes his room. He likes his house. He likes that everything. Please, what does your father like?
My father likes nature.
Your father likes nature. What does your father love?
My father loves the respect.
What does your father give?
My father gives money.
Excellent. What does your father share?
My father shares the problem.
Excellent. Now, what does your father hate?
My father hates the irrespect.
Excellent. Disrespect. Disrespect. What does your father drive?
My father drives the bike.
What does your father change?
My father changes the behavior.
Again?
My father changes the behavior.
What does your mother cook?
My mother cooks food.
What does your mother clean?
My mother cleans roof.
What does your mother share?
My mother shares the food.
What does your mother wash?
My mother washes the clothes.
Clothes, crockery. Clear?
Yes.
3 questions. About what does your sister, what does your brother? You have 2 choices. What does your sister, what does your brother? 2 choices are there.
What does your brother operate?
My brother operates the laptop.
Please, next question.
What does your sister share?
My sister shares mobile phone.
Okay, next question.
What does your mother give?
My mother gives happiness.
What does your father hate?
Father hates behavior.
Which behavior?
Rude.
Rude behavior, bad behavior, negative behavior.
तुर गए यार दिलां दे जानी वतन चुक मुहारा उजड़ी बस्ती यारो नजरी आवे कंड कीती जद यारा